Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make chow fun stir fry. Heat oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the onion, carrots, and green beans and sauté for a few minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Reduce the heat to medium and add the baked tofu and ginger, followed by the vegetarian stir-fry sauce, shoyu, and chow fun noodles. Gently toss until the noodles are evenly coated with sauce, checking at this point to see if additional salt is needed. Add the green onions and bean sprouts, cooking for about 1 minute more until just lightly wilted. Remove from the heat and serve topped with chopped Chinese parsley. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.